Hello, today we are going to say these words with your English voice. The first one, attire, clothes, especially of a particular or formal type. For example, if you wore a suit to a special occasion, that would be the attire. Next, instrument. An instrument is an object that is used for playing music, such as a piano, guitar, or a drum. Those are instruments. Next, go out. Go out means when people leave their houses to have some fun together. I like to go out on weekends to the cinema or restaurants with my friends. Laptop. A laptop is a computer that is small enough to be carried around and used where you are sitting. I use a laptop for all of my work. Next, stage. A stage is the raised area in a theatre where actors perform. So if you go and watch a play in a theatre, the actors would be performing on a stage. Next, cooking class. A cooking class is a place where students learn to make food together. My friends and I enjoy going to cooking classes. The last cooking class that I went to was a Mexican cooking class. Reservations. Reservations are arrangements that you make to have a table at a restaurant. So if I phone a restaurant, I could make a reservation for my friends and I at a certain time. And the last one, invitation. An invitation is when someone asks you to do something or go somewhere. For example, I could extend an invitation to you to join a cooking class with me. Excellent job with these English words. Well done. Goodbye.